Pancakes are a pain to flip, and half the time they burn and stick. Not anymore. Introducing the all-new Flipjack Pancake Pan by Orgrenic, the easy, no-mess way to flip flapjacks. Orgrenic ceramic cookware has revolutionized non-stick, no-fat cooking. So now with Flipjack, just add your favorite batter, close the lid, then flip the pan. You'll have perfect full-sized flapjacks every time, just like the restaurants. Plus, the tight-fit design helps keep the batter inside, so there's less mess or drips. Forget about clumsy spatulas. Your Orgrenic Flipjack is so easy you'll flip pancakes with just one hand, then slide them right out of the pan. The secret is the dual-hinge cooking design with Orgrenic ceramic surface. Nothing ever sticks. Even burned-on cheese slides right off with no scrubbing. You'll make hot and tasty blueberry or a stack of buttermilk in seconds, and the kids will love this chocolate chip surprise. Just add batter, close the lid, then flip for full-size fantastic flapjacks, all without using a spatula. Does this ever happen to you? Not with Flipjack. Now, over-easy eggs are a cinch. And best of all, no broken yolks. So call now to get the Flipjack Pancake Pan.